Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Today, we're tackling a quick and essential maintenance task, replacing your BMW X3's wiper blades. This simple process ensures clear visibility and safer driving in all weather conditions. Before we begin, always prioritize safety. Make sure your vehicle is parked on a level surface, the engine is off, and the parking brake is engaged. To access the blades, you'll need to put them in service mode. Briefly press the starter button without your foot on the brake. Then pull the wiper stalk down until the blades stop upright. This preparation makes the entire process smooth and efficient. Now that your wiper arms are in the service position, it's time to remove the old blades. Carefully lift one wiper arm away from the windshield until it stands upright and locks. Be cautious, as the arm is spring-loaded. Next, find the small release tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab and gently slide the old blade off the arm. Remember to hold the wiper arm firmly so it doesn't snap back and potentially damage your windshield. Repeat this process for the other wiper blade. With the old blades removed, let's install your new ones. Take a new wiper blade, noting that the driver's side is typically 26 inches and the passenger's side is 20 inches. Align the new blade's connector with the hook or pin on the wiper arm. Gently slide the blade onto the arm until you hear an audible click, indicating it's securely locked. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly attached. Once both new blades are installed, carefully lower each wiper arm back onto the windshield, ensuring they rest flat. You're almost done. With both new wiper blades securely in place, gently lower the wiper arms back onto your windshield. Now, turn your vehicle's ignition back on. Briefly activate your wipers to ensure they operate smoothly and clear the windshield effectively. Listen for any unusual noises or streaking. For best visibility and safety, it's recommended to replace your wiper blades every 6 to 12 months, or as soon as you notice any signs of wear, such as streaking or chattering. Enjoy your clear view.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.